Welcome to our Saltwater Crocodile Farm. Today you'll see how our crocodiles are raised, cared for, and transported for leather processing.
Here, every stripe is carefully crafted into luxury products. Follow each step from farm to finished bag.
We collect the eggs now and move them to the incubators. This controlled environment significantly increases the hatch rate compared to leaving them exposed to predators. The key here is the guiding poles. We apply firm, steady pressure to direct the crocodile into the crate without causing undue shock.
As you can see, we use the long metal tongs for safety. The crocodile detects the movement and the scent of the fresh chicken.
This is a high-tension capture process. The team uses the wooden poles and steel gates to safely guide the crocodiles in.
We use the gates to isolate them and the poles for guidance. Guide him to the left pen now. And hurry, secure that gate properly. Guide the breeders to the far end. We need to clean this section immediately. Throw it over here to the big one. Watch out for the jaws. Keep going, we need to feed them all.
Make a note on this large male, B12. He refused the food this morning.
Right, B12, refuse food. Harder on the tail, get him in. Gate's clear. Okay, lock it down quickly.
This bucket is almost full. Can you help me lift it?
Careful, don't drop the meat.
Each crocodile is washed regularly to maintain health. See the scale pattern right here? This is exactly what we're looking for in a premium hide. Make sure they are stacked perfectly.
These hides look perfect. The salting process was successful.
Yes, very clean.
Each hide undergoes a detailed inspection before processing.
Every crocodile is documented before transport.
All hides are legally harvested from the farm, inspected, and ready for factory processing.
Washing removes salts and prepares the surface for dyeing and embossing.
Every crocodile hide is transformed with precision, care, and craftsmanship.
This one is absolutely exquisite. Feel the leather.
Oh yes, the scales are beautiful.
Yeah.
They are absolutely exquisite. The emerald green is stunning.